Hey guys, welcome back to I Like Turtles 21. And Evie's just staring at my dad eating some chicken that's all burnt from the morning. And so yeah, welcome back. And my sister's right next to me. Let me just turn on face cam. And hey, we have a runner. She's having, dude, she ran away. No. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the. No, never mind. I want to use Bigfoot 15. I like turtles. I want to go with my favorite track. Level 22. I like turtles. I'm wearing Curry's shirt, yes. And by the way, Curry. It's upside down. Yes. Okay, I'm going to see the go button. Yeah, okay, there. Save it! Yeah! I'm just doing like free play on this, so I'm not doing like story mode or anything. I'm just doing the free play. I like turtles! It's my sister talking in Spanish. Oh, that slap Willie! Yeah! Big arrow! It's gonna flip! Never mind. Okay, good. There we go. I want to try to go for a backflip. No! Oh yeah, he has to tell you this is my first face cam video. Yep. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And also, tell me in the comments which game you want me to play after. Yeah. After this run, I'm probably gonna make another video using the Graham truck. The one that I bought with 99 cents. That I actually didn't actually buy it because I bought all the monster trucks before it came out. So I didn't have to buy it. It just gave me it for free. Tomorrow after school, I might make a new turbo dismount video because the last one I made, didn't like it. So glitchy, man. So glitchy. Okay, so if you want me to make a Monster Jam video in Oakland in February 18th of next year, you want me just like this video, and if you don't, just like it too. And there we go. He's there. Backflip time. Don't want to do too much power because you know. I had to say, oh, that's a cute fox from Zootopia. I just noticed that. Oh god, it's gonna flip. Oh, never mind. Oh!
Oh my god, what are they doing?
I don't know. Oh, he used to be a Boy Scout, the guy that was helping her. That's why. I like turtles.
O ese era el fox que le está ayudando ahorita a detener.
Oh, good. Oh, good. E. 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 E.
I learned two things that day. I was never going to let anyone see that they got to me.
Okay, so time to try to do a backflip again because this guy I'm pointing at the monster truck, whatever, Bigfoot 15, I don't forget what it's called, doesn't want to do it. So this guy wants to be Dennis Anderson, trying to do backflips. Dude, this guy turned into Cam McQueen inside Murder Nightmare. God, this guy.
There are traffic cameras everywhere, all over the canopy. Whatever happened to that Jaguar? Bingo. However, if you didn't have access
Trying
to
to
vision before,
keep
I
control
doubt
on this truck.
Buffalo Bud is
And
gonna
as
let
soon
you
as they
know
flip
what
over, I'm gonna stop recording and try to make a grim video. But as soon as I flip over on the top of the truck, not on the side. And there we go, I saved it. Yep.
Mira, el jefe le deja toda la carga a la cabrita.
There we go. Yes. What a save. I don't like to brag, but I'm like a level 18 superhero in
Y
Google
la
Play
oficina de
Games.
ella, mira, toda.
There we go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want a shout out, you subscribe and subscribe. Thank you. And goodbye. I forgot to stop recording. Good.